The algorithm is absolutely not neutral, and neither are you. Social media and YouTube algorithms are optimized for engagement. So are the rest of every social media platform that exists, which often means the algorithm itself is pushing rebellion, confusion, and instant gratification, a big dopamine dump at every turn. These values form your child when they're left unchecked, moms and dads. Here's some of the common fears that I hear from parents just like you surrounding this. They're changing right in front of me and I don't know how to stop it. I just want to protect their innocence, but the internet is faster than I am. These are statements from parents who are valid in what they are thinking and very concerned and desperately desire the tools to turn the tide with their children in their home. And let's talk about a few of these things. Again, this is the mindset portion of the whole digital discernment course. So here are some talking points that you can have, not just with you and your spouse, but with your kids. Talk to them about the algorithm. Make it age appropriate, of course. A 5-year-old's not going to understand the word algorithm, but 8 to 12-year-old, they surely will. So an algorithm is a subroutine. It's an actual created program that monitors what you do, what you look at, and some of these things using your device's camera. Look at the expression and the emotion on your face. It's bizarre and insidious sometimes. Okay? The concept you want your kids to know is not everything that comes up in front of them is good. All right, so let's say that you put a video on for them on the YouTubes, and then you walk away to go do, I don't know, something. And the video finishes up and you're not standing there. And what happens when this takes place? All kinds of recommendations come up on the screen. The what's next. Some of those things are absolutely not appropriate for your children, and they show things that you just do not want your kids exposed to or to see. The algorithm has its own agenda. You need to double up on yours. So the proactive portion. If you do not do this already, begin the habit of watching everything with your kids. Do you want to at some point be able to turn your older kids loose on their own? Yeah, sure. They're going to grow up. They're going to go out of your house. See lesson 1 if you did not understand this. Okay? But you want them capable of discerning what is good and bad. That is why, as a homeschool parent, or even a parent who can't homeschool, you are the number one educator of your children. They have to learn what is good, true, and beautiful from you. They also need to learn boundaries and understand what is bad and nefarious and just not good for them and your family from you first. Every device that exists out there now comes with filters, whether you use an Android or an iPhone, even your television set, even things, box devices like gaming devices like Xboxes and PlayStations, they have parental filters on them all. Turn them on and learn how to use them. Shut that stuff down. You can do this and be very, very, very proactive. There are tons of good videos out there for moms and dads like you and I to do these things. You can set up all the filters on your devices. You can set up filters and have things where you will be alerted if things that you do not want actually take place. Another proactive question you can ask with your kids that are a little bit older is this: who do you think this content is trying to make you become? And this is a favorite question of mine. I have a million of them that I could have stuffed in here, but this is the point for lesson 2. Character is what we're developing in the home. All right? All of these devices, all of these algorithms, all of these things with agenda, they're literally targeting your children's character. There's a mindset and practices and a model that they're trying to push on your kids, and it's not good. So it's a great place to start talking about character. We should always be talking to our kids about their character, because I'll tell you what, character is the thing that counts more than anything in this world when we're raising our children. We should be forming character first. Use these questions as examples, as jumping off points. Is it the only thing you should ask them? No. Come up with your own questions. Allow your mind to be led by this. Allow the conversations with your spouse and your children to lead you. Take notes, make lists, use the worksheets I provided. Thank you for watching Lesson 2.